Young cricketers in Bengaluru are heartbroken. For them, Virat Kohli was not just a cricketing icon, he was their inspiration. Many are disappointed he did not wait to complete those final few runs, convinced he still had at least 3 more years in him, given his incredible fitness, also form. As Virat Kohli now steps onto the field for RCB for the first time since announcing his Test cricket retirement, the city's budding talents have a message for him. With handmade posters, chants and pure admiration, they pour out their love, thanking the man who made them believe, dream and chase the game with fire.
At News 9, we managed to enter the N1 Cricketing Academy in Bengaluru, and of course, the enthusiasm is high as Virat Kohli has retired from Test cricket. There's disappointment, yet a lot of love and gratitude that a whole bunch of these students have here for Kohli. Before we get to their reactions on his retirement, let me get some action. Kohli! 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 Who's the biggest fan of Kohli? Come on. One of them. Okay, let me ask the girl. What about Kohli you love?
His batting.
I mean, his batting, of course. Okay, apart from that. What? That's it. Anything else about Kohli?
Ma'am, I like his cover drive.
So we are so sad he's retired from Test match.
Oh, you are so sad. Why? Why are you so sad?
Anyone is there to play other?
Nobody is there as good as Kohli.
Yes.
Is he the best?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Come on, there are so many other players, but why is Kohli so special?
His batting style is so good. It's like different.
Really? You want to be a cricketer?
Yeah.
You're training, huh?
Yeah.
No girl. There's no woman cricketer who you idolize.
Smriti Mandana.
Smriti, yes, absolutely. Okay, this boy here has made a nice poster here for Kohli. You have there. We just literally told them overnight that we're going to be coming by at the cricketing academy here, and this is literally their effort overnight. They've actually drawn up these posters, charts, collage, putting out all their appreciation and love for King Kohli. What is this? Who made this? Who made this? Come on. Okay, tell me about yours first. You've written a long note about Kohli.
Yeah.
What about him do you like?
I like his celebrations and his achievements in his career.
Biggest one thing that you really take inspiration from?
He never really.
No? Never give up?
Yeah.
Never give up? Okay. Tell me, give me a little more about who's done this. Yeah. Show me yours. Show me yours. Is that a poster that you printed out?
Yes.
Tell me, what do you like about Kohli?
He always wins India.
Oh, really? He always wins India. Okay, now let me ask some hard questions. Kohli at one point was also not in his best form, but still he had the biggest fan following. Why?
He has been genius in cricket world. He always stood for efficiency and consistency in the batting.
Right.
And he is always jovial. Many cricketers he have given after his retirement. They are missing him very lot. And he needs to. He has influenced many youngsters like this in cricket world. So he always.
He's influenced many youngsters, but I'm going to come back to more of that. Some kids here who are really inspired by Kohli to a point that they want to be like him. Why would you say Kohli was one of the best we had?
See, first of all, I am very disappointed that he has retired from T20, and also especially Test was very personal for us. That he was one of the best Indian captains for Test. He took our country to top position in Test, and the thing that makes him the best is many batsmen have the same technique or something, but the mindset he has, the hard work he does, everyone needs a very strong mindset.
Correct.
To play so consistently,
Absolutely.
score match after match, and hit so many centuries continuously. Even though he had a low for around 3 years, his consistency was greater than many of the players.
Right.